Throughout Earth's 4.6 billion years history, billions of species have appeared and disappeared. Some were very small, some were moderately sized, and some were truly massive. This is a list of top 6 biggest animals that ever lived or are still living today. Colossal squid, sometimes also called the Antarctic squid, is believed to be the largest squid species in terms of mass. This giant squid can reach a weight up to 600 to 700 kilograms, and these massive squid are reported to measure up to 14 meters. The colossal squid is a massive squid that lives in the deep sea surrounding Antarctica. It has the largest eyes of any animal, larger even than those of the great whales. The largest live colossal squid, weighted 495 kilograms, was captured in 2007. Human knowledge of the colossal squid is based on very few specimens that have been captured in deep sea fisheries and on the backs that have been found in the stomachs of this species' most significant predator, the sperm whales. Megalodon is an extinct species of shark that lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago. Most estimate of Megalodon's size comes from its teeth, with maximum length estimate up to 18 meters, and they can reach a weight more than 65 tons. Their teeth were thick and robust, built for grabbing prey and breaking bone. The largest extant Megalodon teeth measure 17.8 cm in length, almost 3 times longer than those of the modern white sharks. Megalodon is considered to be the largest shark as well as the largest fish that ever lived. Mosasaurus is an extinct group of aquatic squamate reptile lived from around 82 to 66 billion years ago on Earth. Traditional interpretations have estimated the maximum length of Mosasaurus to be up to 18 meters and weight up to 5,000 kg, making them one of the largest sea creatures of all time. Mosasaurus can use its fearsome array of teeth to catch fish, birds, and other marine reptiles, and even great white sharks. The Komodo dragon and the monitor lizards are among the closest living relatives of Mosasaurus. Sperm whales are the largest of the toothed whales, with males up to 20 meters long, more than 5 times the length of a large elephant. They have the largest brain of any creature known to have lived on Earth. Sperm whales are known to dive as deep as 3,280 feet in search of squid to eat. Sperm whales usually eat a little over 900 kg of food per day, and they weighted around 41,000 kg. Sperm whales have a lifespan similar to humans, living about 70 years. Males do not reach full size until they are about 50. Argentinosaurus is a giant sauropod dinosaur, is the largest known land animal of all time, with length estimated ranging from 30 to 39 meters and weight up to 50 to 100 tons. It was discovered in Argentina in 1987, hence the name Argentinosaurus. While Argentinosaurus were definitely a massive animals, there are disagreements over whether it was the largest known dinosaur. Some dinosaurs, such as Suprisaurus and Diplodocus, may have exceeded Argentinosaurus in length, despite being considerably less massive. The mass of the blue whale, however, which can be greater than 100 tons, still exceeds that of all known sauropods. By considerable measure, the largest known animal on Earth is the blue whale. Mature blue whale can measure anywhere from 23 to 31 meters from head to tail and can weigh as much as 150 tons. The largest blue whale to date is a female that weighed around 176 tons, which is almost twice the weight of the biggest dinosaur, Argentinosaurus. This is understandable as gravity limits the size of land animals to what their skeleton can support. However, the ocean beyond sea spares marine animals from this limitation, thereby allowing them to grow unlike any other animal. The main food of blue whales is a tiny shrimp-like creature known as krill. An adult blue whale can eat more than 4 tons of krill every day. The whale push the water out of their mouth through the baleen bristles of their upper jaw. Bristles are thin enough to let the water through but thick enough to catch the krill. The oldest blue whale found was determined to be around 110 years old. Average lifespan is estimated at around 80 to 90 years. It is believed that at one time there were more than 200,000 blue whales around the globe. There are only about 10,000 blue whales in the world now.